As you can see, I did another Publix haul this week and had a huge money maker. As you can see by the title, I didn't add everything up yet while I'm doing this video, but you can see I had a huge money maker, and I did a deal again because there's a new extra savings book that came out on Saturday. I did the deal Sunday, so a lot of good deals. And as you know, I'm gonna do this every week, and so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off. And I had a huge money maker here, so I posted a short deal about, here's a new extra savings book that this came out. So these deals started on January 15th and they'll go all the way to January 28th. So some good deals in here. And I did a little short about the first deal here. I'm going to talk about these Royal Rices. If you can get 6 of them, you got to get the Mexican style or the Smoky Harassa. You got to check Ibotta for the $1.25. There's a $1.25 rebate from Ibotta. There's a 75-cent rebate from Ibotta depending on the flavor. So you want to do the ones obviously with $1.25 because they're all the same price. So the regular price is $2.19 for this, and so for 6 of them they come to 11. Oh gosh, I didn't add it up. About $13 for 6 of them. A little over $13, but they're on sale in this extra savings book. We can see they're on sale for, the second page, 3 for $5. 3 for $5. So if you buy 6 of them, you're going to spend $10 for those 6. And from the January 16th Smart Source, there is a $2 off of 3 coupon. So you use 2 of those, $2 off of 3 coupon. And then Ibotta has a $1.25 off of each bag if you get the right flavors. And these 2 do qualify for that. Check, I always scan your Ibotta before you purchase the item and check product barcode to see if it matches. So you get $7.50 back from Ibotta. $1.25 times 6, $7.50 back from Ibotta. Checkout 51 also has a $1 off of 2, so you're getting back $3 because you're buying 6. So spending $10 using the manufacturer coupons, you get $4 back. Using Ibotta, you get $7.50 back, and checkout 51, you get $3 back, so you got a $4.50 money maker. Almost everything here was a moneymaker. And let's keep going with the Splenda Alluse. This is another good one. So if you can find the peely on there, some of these have peelies for $3 off. I was able to find 3 of them, so I got one extra one there that I haven't used yet. The peely is expired, but they usually just peel it off the product and they scan it, and it scans. So anyways, $9.79 for these. For 2 of them cost $19.58, but they're BOGO, so you get 2 of them for $9.79. And I used 2 peelies for $3 off and $3 off, and Ibotta has $2 off and $2 off. So you're spending $9.79. You're getting 6 back from the peelies, and you're getting 4 back from Ibotta. So you're gonna have a 42-cent overage moneymaker right there. Now, if you couldn't find the peely, you can also use this. You're getting $4 off instead of 6, but still a good deal. So you're gonna have a 42-cent overage. I had a 42-cent moneymaker. I was obviously adding up to get my Sprouts $75. I had up to 75, so I got 10 off. And that's why I had my huge moneymaker, of course. Another good deal that just came out in the extra savings books is Chapstick. These are by the register. They're $1.79. So with tax, you're looking at $1.92. Extra savings book. I believe it was on the last page right there. Got that $1 off. And there's a Publix digital coupon for $1 off. So using both of those, spending $1.79 plus tax comes to $1.92. $1 off from the extra savings. $1 off from the digital coupon. You're going to have an 8-cent moneymaker on that. This deal I did before, as we know, they're BOGO. This is only a couple more days until the new ad comes out on Wednesday or Thursday, depending on your location. $4.19 for both of them. Use that $4 off because they're BOGO. You're only paying 19 cents for 2 of them. As you see, I got a lot of them. All of it helped me reach my $75 threshold to get $10 off. Another deal I did was this one a day. Is the last day of the sale. The coupon actually expired yesterday, but extra savings, you only had basically 1 or 2 days to do it. Extra savings had $4 off of 2 in there, so you buy 2 of them for $7.29. Comes to $14.58. Getting back $4 back, and then there's digital coupon for $4 off, and for Smart Source January 2nd had $4 off. So that's a good deal because you're getting back 12. Wait a minute. Yeah, $12 back on those, and they're only $14.59, so very little for that. Once again, everything was getting over there. As you can see from my title of the moneymaker I've had. Keep going, Go-Gurts. These are still BOGO, $2.67 for both of them. $1.50 Publix digital coupon. You can also get $1.50 back from coupons.com. And final deal, Trivia Sweet Complete. I believe these are probably about $8.99, the regular price. They're on sale from the Extra Savings. They're $6.49. And then there's $1.50 off Publix digital coupon, $1.50 back from coupons.com. Ibotta has $2 back. So only spending $1.49 for that bag, and obviously getting that 10 off. You can see my huge moneymaker once again midweek. Oops, I did it again because the deal came back in Ibotta, and this deal was still good. This deal had one more day. This deal's still good. This deal was good, and I was able to find the peelies. This is a new deal. That's a new deal, and actually that's a new deal. So just giving you guys some new deals here that you guys can do up until January 28th. You can do that deal. You can do that deal, and you can do the Chapstick deal all the way to January 28th. Depending on if the coupon is still available to clip as a digital coupon, and if these are still available in Ibotta and Checkout 51. So everybody enjoy their couponing. Do these deals as soon as you can. Subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away. I posted some more shorts here, videos of some other good deals going on.